Connect comes in two flavors. Connect Chat provides a powerful collaboration tool that enables you to work collectively with others in real time. In the video Connect Chat in Geneva, you can see this versatile tool in action. In this video, we'll look at Connect Support, which provides the powerful tools of Connect Chat within a service desk interface. Have you ever tried to provide fast customer service to your internal employees to resolve their issues quickly over email, the phone, or an external live chat solution? How'd it go? Not as well as you thought it would, we bet. And none of your agents and employees was very satisfied with the solution, were they? Email is inefficient, not real-time, and has a tendency to swallow data like a black hole swallows light. With phone calls, you leave a message, and when they call back, you're not there. This could go on for days. When you do reach the other party, information is scribbled down on the nearest notepad, not organized into structured data like in a support chat. But if the support chat you are using is external to the ServiceNow platform, your agents have to copy and paste records and URLs non-stop, becoming ninjas of multitasking rather than actually helping employees solve their issues. With Connect Support, we eliminate these inefficiencies and loopholes by completely revamping the concept of live support on the platform. Connect Support provides the tools to make agents more productive and efficient so that they can address and resolve incoming requests in mere minutes. Now let's see Connect Support in action. Here, our support agent accepts a case and a Connect window opens. She can access an open case later from the cases list, allowing her to easily work multiple cases simultaneously. Connect Support provides a unified support interface, eliminating the need for agents to multitask. We integrated the knowledge base so that your agents don't need to jump from one tab or window to another. The member list provides us with user profiles. We can also add attachments to a case, and we can define our notification preferences for a case. For our end user, the queue window allows us to open a new conversation and then return to the list to view an existing open or closed conversation and to see its status. We can see when either party is viewing the conversation or typing a response. Either can also drag and drop a file into the conversation. Our support agent can search the knowledge base for information relevant to the case and drop an article into the conversation for the user to review. If the agent can't solve the user's issue, they can transfer the issue to another agent or escalate the case if it's in the wrong queue or needs to be moved to another tier. Let's see how to transfer a case to another agent. In the transfer window, we can transfer the user to another available agent in that queue, or to an agent in a different queue. A green dot next to an agent's avatar indicates that the agent is online and available to take a case. In our example, we'll transfer the user to the system administrator, who is an agent for this queue. We have the option to cancel the transfer before another agent accepts it. The agent can accept or decline the transfer. When another agent accepts the transfer, we can opt to stay in the chat to provide background information via work notes, which are hidden to the customer, or converse with the agent and the user via comments, which are customer visible. Here, our initial agent shares the problem with the second agent, but the user cannot see any work notes. Now the transfer agent can start working the case. In our example, he wants to create an incident on behalf of the user. Creating an incident is a real time saver since the entire conversation, including customer-facing comments and internal work notes, becomes part of the record. In the incident form, we pre-populate fields to save agents time. After submitting the incident, we can see the entire support conversation in the incident form. Back in the Connect window, the record automatically appears in the conversation. The user can review the incident and add any comments. And the changes are saved to the record, which is dynamically populated as the conversation continues. When we've solved the user's issue and we're ready to end the session, we have two options. First, we can click End Session in the Connect window, which ends the timer but keeps the conversation open on the screen. The second option is to close the case in the Cases list, which removes it from the list and ends the timer. When we close the session, an incident record is created in the system, and the incident number displays at the bottom of the screen. If no record was created, the entire conversation is saved in Chat Queue Entry List as a chat record, together with other cases. And, as a service desk supervisor, you can use this table to track all your agents' activity and the records they created. Now that you've seen Connect support in action, be sure to try out this powerful collaboration tool on the ServiceNow platform. For more information, please consult our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.